We're inventing a new path together with all our regions, and nothing represents that better than CHR. The original CHR showed that success can come by surprising customers. When it was first launched, it caused quite a stir. Born in Europe, for Europe, it carved out a new market to become a million-unit best-selling car. And the second generation continued that innovation, a radical fashion statement that stood out from the crowd for customers who wanted to do the same. It's the perfect model to now bring BEV to the core of our portfolio. Now, the eagle-eyed amongst you may remember that the electric CHR was first presented by HR+Toyota at our EV showcase back in 2021. I remember Akio saying at the time, it certainly looked like a car with an attitude, a car that you want to get behind the wheel of. It's an electric car true to the Ever Better Cars philosophy. And now, with up to 600 kilometers of range, over 340 horsepower, and 0 to 100 in just 5.2 seconds, all enabled by the e-TNGA platform, it's got surprising dynamics, surprising agility, and surprising practicality. We believe this is a car that will create the next aspirational experience, one that's truly relevant to the region in which it originated. Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new CHR+.
Cars and SUVs,